guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for joining me again. My name is Tando and this is yet another weekly vlog slash video that I'll be bringing to you just as we normally do try on the weekly. So today I'm going to be unboxing some of the items that I managed to buy with my salary from yesterday's house chores. So what I mean by that was my helper was supposed to come in and she was unfortunately ill and couldn't, so she let me know that she's not going to be coming. So I did all the cleaning, and by that, by all means, I was going to pay her, and then I ended up using the money on myself as payment. So what I did manage to buy were a few items that I'd been eyeing from H&M Home, but what I also did do this time was take a bag of clothing to donate to H&M Home so that I can get myself some vouchers, which I've got 2 left over and they will only expire in January 2023. Oh, I thought it was 2 years. Okay, whatever. So I will be spending each of these per item that I do buy from them, but unfortunately it's not for the sale items. So as you guys know, a lot of promos in many stores don't apply to items that are already on sale. So I've got these 2 15% off vouchers that I 2 out of 3 left, so that I received from the H&M store when I redeemed my clothing for vouchers. And what I managed to purchase with them, this is the only thing that actually had applied the voucher, and it was 250 rands. So it's a pot plant that I'm planning on using for my peace lily, which has still got no it's got no pots, guys. So I got this for the peace lily, and I also managed to grab this duvet cover. It's a queen size duvet cover that I noticed on sale a couple of weeks ago, and they still have quite a lot of this particular one. It's like a paisley pattern and it's in pinks, greens, mustards and like baby yellows. So this will be for my summer bedding range. I'll be using this most likely in the summer, or I could actually use it now in the winter season and just accessorize it with the darker colors here, like the burgundies or the teals or something. So it really doesn't fall anywhere in particular, but I just wanted to add on for my bedding and just add a little bit of color to my range. So I've got like maybe 4 now that are full color. I've got 1 navy quilt. I've got this, which is multicolored. I've got the green one that I bought and I've still not used that one as well. I bought it a month ago. So I've got a couple of things in my collection, and as you all know, I'll be trying to get like a situation here where I can pack all these things away. So yeah, these are the items that I bought from H&M with my moholo. And I also went into PQ and saw this really cute Primark sweater that I got from my little one. It was 80 rands. So this was marked down to 200 rands from 400 rand. And this was 250, but I got the 15% off of this. And yeah, that's what I did with the monies that I made yesterday. So for the rest of the video, guys, I hope you do stay and watch. I'm going to be doing a deep clean with me from all of my works. So now you've seen the fruits. Now stay tuned to watch the labor of it all. Thanks again for joining, and if you're not subscribed, do please consider to subscribe. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for joining me again. See you later, guys. Ciao.